Internet Safety Champions. Hi, I'm Josh. Hi, I'm Zachary.
Hi, we are your Year 2 Internet Safety Champions.
Hi, my name is Daisy.
Hi, I'm Leo.
Hi, I'm Isaac.
Hi, we're your Year 3 Internet Safety Champions. My name is Elliot.
Darcy.
We are your Year 4 Internet Safety Champions. Hello, I'm Christian. Hi, I'm Kimmy.
Hello, I'm Brooke.
Our job is to make sure you're being safe online, and today we're going to talk to you about it.
When do you go online? Why do you go online?
Do you know 1 out of 5 of the internet users is children? Why do you think it's important to be safe online? Talk to the person next to you.
The internet is a very big place and lots of people use it.
It's important that you use the internet safely at school and at home.
What do you think we have using the internet? Talk to the person next to you.
See if you are right. You sure we're smart when we go online? S is for keeping information safe, like your password and address. M is for don't meet strangers online. A is for think before you accept anything online.
Everyone is reliable. Only talk to your friends and family. Tell a responsible adult if you feel unsafe or uncomfortable online. This could be a teacher or a parent.
These rules are going to be displayed in our school computer suite, so people know how to use the internet safely.
It's important you tell grown-up when you're on the internet.
We will celebrate Safer Internet Day on Tuesday the 8th of February, which is today.
We have a challenge for you. We would like you to make a poster of internet safely, and it will show you tips how to use the internet safely. We will then choose a winner from each class to have their poster displayed around the school. Will it be you? We'll find out soon.
We're giving a prize to the best poster. Enjoy creating your posters.
Thank you for listening to our assembly today. Make sure you use the internet safely.
Remember to think smart.